Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. No commute, no distracting colleagues, home cooked meals, you have your kids, you have your family members with you. What's not to love about working from home, right? COVID-19 has made most of us working from home today, doing our part to stop the spread of the virus through social distancing. But are you really working from home or working at home? Here are 6 reasons why it feels like you're not really working from home. Perhaps not really good at working from home for the long term. Reason number 1, it is not work from home when you don't set boundaries. We always say work is work, but it feels different when you're working from home. Good to mention, moms and dads out there, I know you're also solving your kids' problems. Math problem, science problem, literature, communications, other assignments and whatnot, name it. And they are all eating your time, especially now with digital learning. But you have to schedule regular study time with your kids just like the way it was when you were still working in the office. Perhaps create a visual cues letting your kids know when you're busy. Now, if you're single and you have your families in the house, get your family on board and let them know about your deep work time. Otherwise, I have a trick that works like magic. See? So you have to claim your space and lock the door if you need to. Because working from home is different from working at home. Reason number 2, it feels like you're not working from home because you don't pretend you're not working from home. I bet we're all trying desperately to resist any temptation or anything that will distract us while we are working from home. Like cooking, cleaning the house, or even bothering yourself from any disorganized stuff in your room or at home. The last thing we want is to feel guilty, right? You can leave those. You can really leave those things. Otherwise, there would be a decent chance that there will be delays in your work deliverables because you're no longer in your work time. Because yeah, you don't stick to your schedule. At smart workplaces, there would be no issue if you will be able to present excellent output. But if your workplace strictly demands 9 hours of your time a day, then by all means you have to do whatever is necessary. Third reason, it feels like it's not working from home because you don't quit. You don't have someone hounding you all day with a stopwatch, right? But if it's time to finish your work, finish it. Logged out, clock out, end the day, whatever you call it, press the button and enjoy work-life balance. You really have to shut it down. Turn your Skype off, turn your computer off, let your colleagues know that you are already away from office chat or whatever platforms you're using, and let the people know that you will only be responding to work stuff the next day. But oh yeah, unless it's highly critical and urgent. Urgent and critical. Number 4, it feels like it's not working from home when you don't keep your social media movements under control.
Oh no!
Right, so repeat after me. No, I don't want to play. Again, no, I don't want to play right now.
Yes, sir!
Just because your friends or your coworker pin you to play mobile games doesn't mean you have to drop everything and immediately respond to them. It doesn't mean you have to drop everything and delay everything. It's critical to take breaks and sometimes look at our social media to know what's happening around us. But it is also crucial to stop and unplug from them, because making it a true disconnect makes us more focused at work. Number 5, it feels like you're not working from home when you don't have patience. Working from home takes a lot of patience. Dealing with the pandemic is going to take a lot of fortitude for everyone, so you have to forgive yourself and others if they don't answer your call. Perhaps they're in a different rhythm. Maybe they're taking care of their kids, maybe they're cooking, maybe they're doing something else. Every one of us has our own productive rhythm. And because we don't know what worked and what doesn't work for others during this time. Number 6, it doesn't feel like working from home when your internet connection is as bad as being in an offline mode. It is daunting. So perhaps, time to renew a new service provider? Yeah, that's all for that. So there you go guys, working from home is different from working at home. But with help, it can be manageable. Alright guys, I hope I was able to convey something real and useful for everyone and enable you to maintain your professionalism and productivity in your home office. And keep your work from creeping into your personal and family time. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and watch out for my next learning video. Unplug! Magpahinga ka naman! Maglagay ka ng harang. Yun, you're not the great pretender. You don't quit. Mag-quit ka naman, paminsan-minsan. So if there's social distancing, there should be social media distancing. Patience is a virtue. Oh, internet issue is not just a home issue, it's a national issue. So, look for options.